Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare kelp versus seaweed. While often used interchangeably, these terms have distinct meanings. Seaweed is a general term encompassing many marine plants and algae. Kelp, however, is a specific category within that broader group. Think of it this way. All kelp is seaweed, but not every type of seaweed is kelp. We will explore these fascinating differences in detail. One major difference lies in their structure and size. Kelp is renowned for its substantial growth, often creating dense underwater forests. Certain kelp species, like giant kelp, can grow over 100 feet long, anchored firmly to the seafloor. Seaweeds, on the other hand, exhibit a vast range of sizes, from microscopic forms to those several meters in length. Kelp also possesses more complex structures, including a root-like holdfast, a stem-like stipe, and leaf-like blades. Their preferred habitats also set them apart. Kelp generally flourishes in cooler, more temperate coastal waters, where nutrients are abundant. It typically anchors itself to rocky substrates in deeper, subtidal zones, forming extensive underwater ecosystems. Seaweeds, conversely, are incredibly adaptable and can be found in almost every marine environment worldwide. They thrive in various conditions, from the sun-drenched intertidal zones to the dimly lit depths of the ocean. Both kelp and other seaweeds offer significant nutritional benefits and have various uses. They are excellent sources of essential vitamins, minerals, and beneficial antioxidants. Kelp is especially recognized for its remarkably high iodine content, crucial for thyroid health. Beyond nutrition, seaweeds are extensively used in culinary dishes, as agricultural fertilizers, and in cosmetic products. Kelp specifically finds its way into dietary supplements and as a versatile food ingredient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.